said no, he no get if he lie. A crowman a be an answer day. Why would he say a PS2 controller? It will be one of the cardio. Hey.
I not say I'm a kwaba social media some komo abina baby yigusu eji ewo ye channel so NBTV safana wa join ya ye mo kwaba ye be din komo any day but answer na ye be din komo no medical monya nti ze nipa de wo ho se wo ma wa pom din no ACP esita nti se wo se mafa bebia ni kutame na afi so nyo atwa me ho ahia na se sunsun fami hunam fam de ma bono ho ban ye papa person se so nipa boni ni so ma ho ntowa o so ama no kwan e ma ni kwase asem enti me tufu se wo kwa asore se ye sunsun fam ana hunam fam de bo ho mo de na bo ho ban e san se nipa nye wan ya na o de ni 50 pesos ase wo ni ama bebre enti bra na na be ma share sunsun fam pia Rabbo by our bomb body a year, a drumasem, sikasem, awaresem, boy by now what me in nature. No, no, you to yara with beer tito, I say, bear my wire, bunkum, bear my yellow form, jai, Nana Beboa. Number no squeeze by an arsenal, screen as no far, offering an a Kenya say drum no offer. Obejoso na niame nyina atimi akoyie bidi yo Shatawale is one of the most talented dancehall Ghanaian artists. Controversial metimi aka say ono na boa ema music industry no emu yede esan say each and every day bia no our internet no so a de obeye bia so ma no relevant won twamida on design crofo bi no ma yinimu wo. And we're very loud about our music industry. One of our team can VGM before say, I want a month for Mammy and Mumfa. I want no time in Pebble. Until I want my for the past 2-3 years near since only Stone Boy a point year, but in a free VGM. This year, 2024, the year, one could be on a funnel. One somebody who say, one of Sika we Sikapa and one of Timmy Bopa, Sisa Boys. We think book contractor so omo ye kwan bia on tiase eni nkwasem de o eni de pa ni ma boys na ne obi tutu mama discipline pa na banche bi ono ni ye adwuma ye on Nigeria ono ne ye ni music director and as a video director aba be chere se e kwan Shatawale de ne fa so no nyame Ukraine eni bebi ekuta me pia na ni nje ho Shatawale ade bia ebusia enye nipa de empenisi wudwumaini aketua efatano so a na efatani ye na Shata na ne abanti akwa akoye adwuma awo Nigeria wada ne ka da also wontua yenti kakra bi na memeto aso.
Ask Shatawale why he has refused to pay me my money. I have done a couple of videos for Shatawale. If I'm not mistaken, I've done over 13 videos for Shatawale. Even his hit tracks from Taking Over to Ayo, even the video Beyonce saw before he featured him. I shot that video, Ayo.
Wasuya de abante ni sema kakra mabama de trosu gina michechi mama mwa video ni nyina chese na nzenya Shata kostamali ni ko di 3 days chese eduma mko yeye before that okay Beyonce ni Shatawale music video wa ye eduma mashata wepemne wa twa to say when also funny sika mfama ti ono na numa aseme.
Hello guys, my name is Michael. I'm popularly known as Chopping Scene. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. I'm a video director. Yeah, so I want you guys to help me, please. Ask Shatawale why he has refused to pay me my money. I have done a couple of videos for Shatawale. If I'm not mistaken, I've done over 13 videos for Shatawale. Even his hit tracks from Taking Over to Ayo, even the video Beyonce saw before he featured him. I shot that video, Ayo. Recently, his manager, Sammy Flex, called me that Shatawale wants me to follow them to Tamale so that we could do some videos for 3 days. I said, okay, fine. I'll go. He gave me some money. I called him, even at the airport. I told him, bro, this money cannot even get me equipment for a day. What's up? He said, oh, let's just go. We'll settle it later. It's just 3 days. We got there after 3 days. He told me that Shatawale wants us to stay extra days so we can do more videos. Even when I had a meeting with Shatawale at Tamale, I told him, bro, what's up? Money for equipment too, for this extra days. He said, oh, don't worry. My manager will sort you out. I said, okay, fine. Bro, it's been a month plus now. It's been a month plus. I have been begging for that money. And they have been turning me like this. Now, within that same period, Shatawale also called me that he wants me to do a new video for him. Killer Jimmy, one of his tracks. I said, okay, fine. I'll do it. I finished the video I've given him. He has uploaded the video online. It's everywhere now. Bro, pay me my money. Because all this while I've been speaking with his manager. Pay me my money, and he's been doing me this way. I said, oh no, it seems something is wrong somewhere. I called Shatawale. How far? How far? We are back from Tamale. The equipment money I told you about, how far? I've not been paid. I just finished a new video for you. I have not been paid for it. My balance. He said, oh, his manager is always like that. He will give him money to pay for things, and the guy can't sacrifice anything for him. That him himself, Shatawale, will give me $15,000 to offset all my bills, and probably, if possible, prepare for some videos. I said, okay, fine. Till date, I have been begging for this money. The last time I called him, he was angry. That why am I asking him for his money? That he will go and call Ghpage Omori and pay him $60,000 to do his video. Tell him I'm happy, yo. Go and call my brother to come and do your video. Amazing. But I am begging you for my money. Less than $5,000. You don't want to pay me. See, one thing I know is that my superstars back home won't do this. Davido, Burna Boy, Ashake, Olamide, they won't do this. Because they appreciate people in the industry. They appreciate people in the industry. They know how to treat you. I know someday I'll work with them. By God's grace, I'll work with them. They will treat you very well. Now listen, let me take you back to 2018. While I was still schooling in Ghana, Shatawale did the same thing to me. He called me that he wants me to do a video for him. After shooting Ayo, Taking Over, and the rest, he called me that he wants me to do a track for him. Thunderfire. That track is called Thunderfire. I said, okay. I did my quotation and all, and I called him, bro, how far? I've done all my calculation. Getting crew, my red camera, equipment in general, plus my fee will cost 30,000 cedis. Well, I say, oh, it's a small money. He will give me 50,000. He will give me a 50K plus even. He will buy me a car. Bro, I was happy. I said, okay, fine. Now, God have anything his way. My parents just sent me my school fee from Nigeria. I'm part of my rent. I gather everything. I gather everything. Rented equipment. Put my crew together. Put boys together. I shot this video for Wale. For Shatawale. I shot this video. Quick. I delivered. I gave him the video. At his place. Wale Afa, my money. He said, oh, I should go. He will give me my money. I said, he said, don't worry, I will give you your money. I left. Day one, I didn't see my money. Day two, I didn't see my money. The next day, I was calling Shatawale. He didn't pick my calls. The next day, I went to his house. Bro, they refused me from entering Shatawale's house. They refused me from seeing him. I said, Nami, I'm the one doing Wale's videos. What's up? They said, oh, he's sleeping, he's not around, I should go and come back. I can see his car. I know he's around. Oh, bro, Wale do me. Wale mess me up. Wale mess me up. I was outside for over 4 hours. And you know what? This was just during my exams. I schooled in Ghana, AIT. I was begging for this money. Wale refused. I was outside for hours. I left. I kept calling him. He didn't pick. If you think I'm lying, ask those his boys then. Ask Blade. Ask Bone. Ask Stone. Ask the XM militant. Joint. 77. I did 7 and the rest. Ask them. See, it didn't go away for me then. I wasn't allowed to write exam in school. See, I was so scared of telling anybody. I was scared of telling anybody because if the news gets out and my parents hears it, they will be so disappointed in me. I was scared. I kept it to myself. I remember.
Now, when you say Shatawale, you should choka and Medikal, Michel Yonko Breboa, on no Agradaa. On you to be a friend as a key, or no number more to private jet, a wire with my brother to internet, and to the chairman saying, you know, say, new baby near while lunching and Kofi can once. Now, say the news a shut of the can lunching baby criminal. I want to Medikal to go post to your choice. Where fella and the new baby senior. No, brand here, no social media, content creator. Here on Sheldon, or Sheldon studio, Scanty, and so HS la Medikal settings and Kwan yellow crack. Some boy and some Medikal kind in the India. Wato. But some Medikal power catches a wato private jet. Now land the show of Korea and out the better private. Now private jet and a truck to be now. What was a boy. Yemi can tease Kwadwo Sheldon, Ninipa new studio day. Yeah, Medikal sa quantity is a PS5. I will hear pa. Yinti and Sunniambra.
You people they do show. You they sit Ghana. You they Ghana. You be Ghanaian. Make a positive. You be Ghanaian. You they Ghana. They praise somebody with a different country. They badmouth your countryman, and you won't make them, and you won't buy Benz like the skate makers for other country. Charlie, this country, it will take decades. Next generation, we will come change everything because you see these people, they be delusional motherfuckers. They sit platform top. They talk say yeah, that person do them and yeah, it be real. They go fit do them because they must make yourself they do them. But you, what you they do for you yourself? As a human being, as a young man, what you they do? They sit there, they open your mouth. Charlie.
When Medikal posted 2 months ago, one fan count on toy. How you don't say you don't buy? How you don't say you don't buy? If Medikal buy private jet for Ghana, we don't even need people to tell us on one how. Medikal is someone that I can't say he the boost, but Medikal is always out there when he does. Okay. Well, come back, somebody who said me, I have 6 bathrooms in my house. Okay. 5 piss me off and see. Okay. Is the one who want to private jet? Do you think Medikal will buy a private jet and sit down for 2 months? Okay. But right now he's telling you that he has a private. You don't get. How you don't get? It's only one. You don't know. So do you believe Ashakira has bought a private? Yes. Listen. Medikal has
yeah. Charlie Ghana. Hey, you ready? You don't know Ashakira for anywhere. You know me time before. You know me for Ghana. You be Ghanaian. I be your fellow Ghanaian brother. Ashakira say he buy jet. You say yeah, you didn't believe. Medikal say he buy jet. You said no, he don't get. He will lie. A cromana a be an answer there. Why would you say a PS2 controller? At2 one okay cardio pay. Hey, Charlie.
Yes, so no community na ekoye. Eba social media be a can was be a posty. Now one of the posters of online back what say Kofi Sheldon Nipano Scanty no one can say ye, one rather patch or son say, I don't know what ya ye dear. Na yen so yen kan wasem minimum obi man so de ye gidi sa brand and musician no wa to no mu ya ye di mu de ye dapt anya fine o ti video na medical class o kan wo mu e kire ye se e krum ha by biting chai ye woni tun so ko ni ani na ye de papa say ya ye be kan fu ya ye de yen pe nti no abrant no no ni ni pe bia no ono de gidi se wato but no need na wa posti ya wa chose ni new baby ni de Ghana for say la wanted them na me kwa me na ya medical won to ade no ade won to ya kaza me to ade no be post ade no talk over the same thing no post won to a certain so what you say and come and social media some come out ye dey say they also be nyam be no wa video no titi be na also the side opinion at the aba we leave commenter me ne beje we like here me ne beje na Facebook subscribe not turn on notification me ne beje say that be na brebia no the new video etuma wonsa ebetimi aka